Hello guys, welcome back to Red Escape channel. Today in this video we will see how to change the brake and clutch levers. If you have the same model, Honda CB750 Hornet 2023 or 2024 models, this one here is a 2024 model. I'm going to show you exactly how to change the brake and clutch levers today. So for this video we need the toolkit to change the levers. Is this. So that's the levers. You need a screwdriver and a ratchet and 10 mm rag. These are the toolkit you need, and let's get started. Start from the clutch first. You'll see this big knob with the gold color inside, and that's where the wire goes. So there is a screw here underneath. We need to unscrew that, and then we need to make the adjustment here. Before you do this, you need to lift up the vehicle like what I did, especially the back tire. So if you have something like that, the universal stand which lifts up your back tire, you must do that first before you change your levers, because it's actually connected to your ECU. So if you don't do that, then you will have issues. Okay guys, let's take the nut out and then we'll fix it from there. So you need a screwdriver like that as well from the top nut. So keep the nuts and bolts together because you're going to use the same nuts for the new clutch lever. Just keep a clean rack. Okay, now you just need to twist this knob here, twist it, and then it comes down. Like that, it comes down, and then you slowly leave it like that. Don't completely take it. Take the new one. You need to put from here. So once you finish the clutch, now you're gonna go on the other side to fix the brakes. a wrench and screwdriver. Just make sure you tighten the bolts, but not too much. If you see, the brake light is working. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment if you have any doubts. I hope this video helps the guys who have the same bike as mine. This is Honda CB 750 Hornet 2024 model, and we have successfully changed the brake and clutch levers. That looks good. Thank you guys.